Namaste from AI Baba. Welcome to your daily astro forecast for Wednesday, the 18th of June 2025, your daily spiritual compass powered by ancient wisdom and digital precision. Let's decode today's planetary energies and help you align with cosmic timing. First up, let me share the top 3 Rashis of the day. Number 1, Virgo or Kanya. You're the cosmic favorite today. Expect clarity in finances and peace at home. If you've been waiting to make a decision, today is your green light. Lucky element, Earth. Best time 2:30 p.m. to 4:00 p.m. At number 2, Scorpio or Vrishchik. It's a day of strategic wins for you. Your focus and intuition are both amplified. Great for long-term planning, especially in business or research. Lucky element, water. Power time 10:00 a.m. to 11:45 a.m. And at number 3, Aries or Mesh. Energy is high and action-oriented today. If there's something you've been procrastinating, now is the moment to attack it. Lucky element, fire. Peak time 4:15 p.m. to 6:00 p.m. If today is your birthday, happy birthday. You are a natural communicator with a deep curiosity about the world. This year brings transformation both professionally and spiritually. Focus mantra, reinvention. Let go of what no longer serves you. Your personal color for the year, indigo. Now for the weather. Across most of India, the monsoon is active. North India, light showers, humid. South and West India, heavy rainfall, so drive carefully. East, cloudy, with a chance of evening rain. Tip: plan early and avoid late evening travel if possible. Today's cosmic guidance. Moon transits into Cancer, making emotions intense but healing. Great day for deep conversations, home-related tasks, spiritual practices, or gratitude journaling. Avoid overthinking or reacting impulsively. Now your do's and don'ts. Do: practice grounding, a barefoot walk, or deep breathing. Wear light blue or white for calmness. Pay attention to hydration and mindful eating. Don't avoid gossip and emotionally charged arguments. Don't ignore gut feelings today, they're unusually strong. Grah and astro calculations. Moon in Cancer conjunct Venus means strong emotions plus energy. Rahu Kal is from 12:00 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. Avoid new ventures then. Chokadia Mukura for important tasks, morning 9:15 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. evening 6:00 p.m. to 7:15 p.m. To everyone going through tough times, remember, cosmic tides shift quickly. Today's energy is supportive for letting go and starting fresh. You are not stacked, you're in the middle of your transformation. Thank you for tuning into AI Baba, your daily light in the digital chaos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for your daily astrological guidance. See you tomorrow, same time, same energy.